The RockGuard Crest Front Bumper for the JL Wrangler and the JT Gladiator provides clearance for increased tire sizes and an improved approach angle, while also offering heavy-duty front-end protection. The low-profile design allows for the installation of a center bolt pattern winch. The bumper's modular design gives you an optional hoop and skid plate. The installation for these will also be shown here. Begin by removing the front bumper. Here we show the steel bumper, but the plastic bumper is removed in a similar manner. Disconnect the wire harness for the fog lights. Remove the two screws on the underside of the bumper. Remove the clips on the plastic top cover to access the inner bumper hardware. Remove the hardware for the support brackets. After the nuts holding the bumper in place are removed, you can remove the support bracket. This bracket will not be reinstalled. Repeat this process for all 4 support brackets. When you remove the hardware for the last bracket, you will be able to remove the bumper. On the bottom of the frame are the skid plate mounting brackets. These can be removed and discarded. If you are installing the RockGuard Crest front bumper without a hoop, then install the provided cover plate onto the bumper. Do not use an impact gun to install the nuts on the studs. The lock nuts require that they be installed by hand. If you are installing the skid plate, line it up under the bumper either on the table or the floor. Use the provided hardware to attach it. If you are installing the hoop, do not install the cover plates. Instead, place the hoop onto the bumper and loosely install the hardware. Make sure it is lined up correctly before final tightening. Again, do not use an impact gun to tighten the lock nuts. Install the logo backing plate. This plate has a smooth texture, so it can be easily painted if you desire to do so. Install the bumper onto the vehicle. There are studs on the inside of the bumper that allow you to easily place it onto the vehicle, and then use the factory nuts to attach it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.